I do not know what other statements are being referred to, but I would like to highlight to the
Please.
August House.
Paper slip, please, Keshav Rao. Let us hear reply of the minister, please.
But I can only share with this August House and with the honourable member that consistently, year on year, the central government has been increasing the procurement of rice for the central pool. From the annexure given to all of the honourable members, you will observe, sir, that this government has increased the paddy procured for milling of rice for the central pool from 443 lakh tons in 1819 KMS to 518 lakh tons and then to 600 lakh tons in KMS 2021. I am grateful that the honourable member has acknowledged that even in the state of Telangana, we have increased the procurement from 51.9 lakh tons to 74.54 lakh tons to 94.54 lakh tons. This is the track record of the Modi government, and which is why we say that this has been the most responsive government to the farmers' interests, and the procurement under MSP operations done by the government has increased manifold, both in volume and in value. As regards the state of Telangana, sir, in the KMS 2021, which procurement is under reference, in the Kharif season, they had estimated that they will give us 50 lakh tons. What they were finally able to give was only 32.66 lakh tons. Then in the Rabi season, they had estimated 55 lakh tons. So, finally, they are saying that they have procured rice, they have procured paddy to make 61.87 lakh tons. We have on our part agreed that we will procure the rice which they, and the material that they provide us up to 94.53 lakh tons, which they are claiming that they have procured. But even today, as we speak, 29 lakh tons is pending. They have not yet been able to give the agreed quantity. So they are all the time, I don't know why this political issue has been raised in the state of Telangana. They still have to give us 29 lakh tons. When we asked them for physical verification and our teams went for physical verification, a number of discrepancies were found in the stock. In fact, the stock was not even maintained in a proper fashion. Despite that, and month after month we have been giving extensions, we have been supporting the state government in every possible way. Despite all that, I don't see the reason to once again and again politicize a simple thing where we are saying that there is an MOU. Based on that MOU, we are buying paddy, we are buying rice from all over the country in a certain fashion. There is a regular process that's going on for years. The Honorable Agriculture Minister has already announced on the floor of the House that MSP operations will go on as they are going on now. But again and again, if they want us to make specific fresh statement in different formats, I don't see any reason for that, sir. In the current season itself, they have not yet supplied the rice that they are expected to supply. We are asking them to first complete what is pending. The 29 lakh tons that is still pending from the state of Telangana. They have not yet supplied that. First, they should complete that supply. If there is still any problem, they can come and approach the government and appropriate decisions as per the MOU. Ultimately, everything is working as per a system for so many years. We have a memorandum of understanding with all the states, including with the state of Telangana. This is the Telangana MOU. They have to stick to the MOU and supply us the rice. भारत सरकार ने बड़े संवेदनशील तरीके से दोनों तेलंगाना और ओडिशा की मदद की है. उनकी पुरानी जो प्रैक्टिसेस थे उसमें जितना ज़्यादा हम मदद कर सकते हैं हमने दोनों राज्यों को की है. लेकिन ये भी सच्चाई है कि MOU बड़ा स्पष्ट क्लॉज 18 में कहता है, और मैं चाहिए तो पढ़ के कह सकता हूँ, if the stocks of the rice procured by the state government exceeds its allocation under TPDS and other welfare schemes, such excess stocks shall be handed over to the FCI by the state government. However, the FCI shall have the option to specify whether such excess rice that would be handed over to FCI for central pool by the state shall be in the form of raw rice or parboiled rice to meet the overall consumption requirement of the country under TPDS, OWS and type of rice milled in the state.
That is the question he has asked, sir.
Please, please, please.
परिस्थिति
Please,
It is not
please.
politicalized.
परिस्थिति ये है परिस्थिति ये है कि जो राज्य जिस प्रकार का चावल खाना चाहते हैं हम वही चावल दे सकते हैं, उसके अलावा तो चावल फोर्स तो नहीं कर सकते। तो उड़ीसा, तेलंगाना या जो भी राज्य जिस प्रकार का राइस खुद की कंजम्पशन के लिए वो जितना चाहे वो ले सकता है और डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जो सेंट्रल पूल में आना है वो वही राइस आ सकता है जो बाकी देश राज्य के रिक्वायरमेंट हो उसके हिसाब से राइस एफसीआई खरीद सकता है। बड़ा सिंपल लॉजिकल चीज है कि जो स्वयं की कंजम्पशन है आप जिस प्रकार का राइस बनाना है आप बनाइए। आप जितना आपको उड़ीसा में पारबॉइल्ड राइस खाना है वो उड़ीसा में पारबॉइल्ड राइस बने, आप उसकी खपत करें, पूरा स्वागत है, उसके लिए एफसीआई आपको रिइंबर्समेंट करेगी। लेकिन आप जो सेंट्रल पूल में डालना चाहते हैं उसके लिए पर्याप्त डिमांड देश में, अगर देश में और कोई वो प्रकार का राइस नहीं खाता है तो स्वाभाविक रूप से एफसीआई ने इसीलिए एक क्लॉज रखा है टू मीट द रिक्वायरमेंट्स, टू मीट द ओवरऑल कंजम्पशन रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द कंट्री अंडर टीपीडीएस, ओडब्ल्यूएस एंड टाइप ऑफ राइस मिल्ड इन द स्टेट। तो आपकी खुद की खपत के लिए आप अवश्य जो राइस आप चाहें आप ले सकते हैं, बनाएं, उसको अपने स्टेट में इस्तेमाल करें। बाकी राज्यों में जब तक डिमांड नहीं होगी तब तक हम उस राइस को जिस डिमांड होगी उस हिसाब से राइस एफसीआई
धन्यवाद,
पर्याप्त मात्रा में
धन्यवाद।
खरीदेगी।
माननीय के सुरेश रेड्डी जी, माननीय सुरेश रेड्डी, प्लीज प्लीज।
Honorable